Hello guys, this is Ijoma eBay official and today I'm going to be making a beans and plantain. The easiest way to make beans and plantain, simple and easy. So first I have to parboil my beans separate and keep. Then I have to cut my plantain into small pieces. Then after that I have to start cooking. Alright, let's go. I have to add my olive oil, add my onion, I'm gonna be using crushed tomato. Add my crushed tomato. I was supposed to use fresh tomato, but this is what I have, so I have to use crushed tomato. So I add some seasoning, Maggi cubes, complete seasoning, my favorite seasoning, then salt. So after that, I have to add a little bit of water. Add some water, then add some chicken broth. This is chicken broth. Then this is the bean. The beans is already parboiled. It's already half done. It's not fully cooked. So after that, I add the plantain. So I have to stir and cover it for a few minutes to cook. So I add a little bit of crayfish. Alright, it's done. So I have to turn everything together. It's getting more interesting. See the looking more delicious. Please, if you watch all the way to this time, please like, comment, subscribe for more video. See you on my next video. Bye.